Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best curved trimming scissors is probably one of the most essential tools for any cannabis enthusiast or cultivator. Whether you're a seasoned grower or just starting out, having the right trimming scissors can make a world of difference. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of curved trimming scissors, exploring their features, benefits, and why they're a must-have for achieving those perfectly manicured buds. Number 5. FLORA Guard 6.5-inch Garden Shears. These gardening shears feature a high-quality zinc alloy handle. It's wrapped in a soft rubber coating for superior comfort and control. This design reduces hand fatigue and ensures a secure, non-slip grip. The garden scissors are expertly crafted with heavy-duty, thick stainless steel blades. They are designed to withstand frequent use without dulling or rusting. The precision serrations deliver clean and efficient cuts every time. These 6.5-inch garden shears weigh less than 5 ounces and are lightweight yet sturdy. Whether shaping potted plants or crafting floral arrangements, it handles it all with ease. The compact form and comfortable grip reduce hand fatigue. It features a simple but secure safety lock mechanism. The lock ensures the blades are safely stowed away, ideal for storage. Equipped with micro-tip snips, it offers unparalleled precision for delicate trimming tasks. This pruning shears is perfect for a wide range of gardening tasks. From trimming bonsai to shaping houseplants, it's a must-have tool. It provides superior control and cutting performance for all your gardening needs. What we like. This pruner features an ergonomic zinc alloy handle, ensuring comfort even during extended use. Its thick stainless steel blade guarantees clean cuts every time. If you're looking for a comfortable and efficient tool for your indoor or outdoor plants, this is a great choice. What people say. The curved design makes trimming easy and precise. The spring action is a great feature. They are very sharp and cut through the plant material with ease. Number 4. Yieldcropper 2-pack pruning shears. Pruning for long periods can be tough on your hands. These shears are designed to eliminate that stress with soft grip handles, sharp stainless steel blades, and a quick release spring. This makes the job easier and more comfortable. These pruners are durable and lightweight. They feature high-quality, extra-sharp stainless steel blades, soft grip handles for comfort, and a quick-release spring for ease of use. It's a professional-grade tool designed for efficiency. Whether you're a hobbyist or a commercial grower, these durable pruning shears are a must-have. They're ideal for trimming stems, roots, or flowers, ensuring the quality of your plants. You'll find it perfect for your gardening needs. With the straight blade, you can prune standard stems and flowers. The curved blade helps you reach those hard-to-access areas. This combo will keep your herbs, bonsai, tomatoes, roses, or succulents looking beautiful. Don't waste time on poorly made pruners. This pruner is designed with the quality you're looking for. If it doesn't meet your expectations, you can return it for a refund, no questions asked. We are confident that you will be satisfied with it. What we like. This product is designed to reduce hand stress with its soft grip handles and quick release spring. The sharp stainless steel blades provide a precise cut. If you're a hobbyist or commercial grower who values quality and hand trimming, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. They cut cleanly. I really like the curved blade pruner. It gets right into tight places with ease. The curved trimmer is nice for trimming buds. Number 3. Hygrohub 6-inch Garden Scissors. These micro-tip snips are designed with slender, curved blades. It makes it easy to get into tight spots for precise cuttings. The mini pruning shears stay ultra-sharp through 200,000 cuts. Made with high-carbon stainless steel blades, they are perfect for all your trimming needs. These garden scissors offer long-lasting sharpness and can cut up to 200,000 times. The non-stick coating and chamfered blade ensure clean cuts without damaging your plants. These gardening tools are lightweight and feature non-stick coating and ergonomic silicone grips. The clippers weigh less than 3 ounces, making trimming smooth and reducing hand fatigue. The bonsai snips feature a unique pin design for easy cutting with less effort. The smart construction prevents plant debris from getting stuck, making cleanup simple. This horticultural scissors cutter is perfect for deadheading flowers, harvesting veggies, snipping herbs, and trimming buds. It's also a great gift idea for any gardener. What we like. This tool makes precise cuts with its slender curved blades. The blades stay ultra sharp, and the non-stick coating makes cleanup a breeze. If you like a lightweight tool that makes trimming smooth and easy, you should consider this one. What people say. The blades are sharp and curved, which makes it easy to cut succulents, flowers, and small plants. The non-stick coating helps keep the blades clean, and they don't get stuck while cutting. They feel strong and good quality. Number 2. Buds Leaf 8.58 Microtip Pruning Shears. Introducing the new generation dark blade design. It has an enhanced non-stick coating, making the cutting process smoother, even with plant slime and resin. This is ideal for shaping leaves and precise cutting. These pruning shears feature 3.54-inch long blades. This design expands the trimming range, allowing you to prune further into thriving plants. It's suitable for various applications, such as bonsai pruning, flower trimming, and fruit picking. The spring firmly inserts into the slot to prevent falling off during use. The lightweight spring minimizes hand fatigue, allowing you to work for longer periods comfortably. The handle is ergonomically designed with a debossed TPR rubber grip. This provides a comfortable, anti-slip grip suitable for different hand sizes, ensuring a secure and pleasant experience. The hand snips feature a redesigned buckle mechanism. It's easy to operate with one hand, preventing sliding off or locking up while trimming. This design enhances both safety and efficiency. What we like. This product features a non-stick dark blade for smoother cutting. The lengthened blades expand the trimming range, and the ergonomic handle provides comfort. If you need a tool that can handle various applications, this is a great option. What people say. Great not stick blades. I hate when you have to use force to unstick the blades from cutting, but these are great and don't do this. The long blades help to get into smaller spaces and are great quality. If you need a sharp pair, this is the one. I love the spring return, saves wearing fingers down. Perfect item for your harvest. I work at a garden center where we cut and propagate plants. We have used scissors in the past, but they get dull and become caked in sap from the plants. These have not had any sap stick. I have used them for about a week, which is about as long as a pair of scissors lasts before needing cleaning. I just rinse off and tap out any dirt and they are good to go. Number 1. VIVOSUN 6.5-inch Curved Gardening Scissors. These scissors feature specially designed curved blades. They help you avoid accidental cuts to your plants, ensuring you only trim what you intend to. The spring-loaded design of these snips automatically opens, minimizing hand fatigue. The comfortable grip handles allow for extended use without causing hand pain. These micro-tip snips have a secure sideways locking mechanism. This feature keeps the blades protected and closed when not in use, providing safety and ease of use for both right and left-handed individuals. With these snips, you can easily target specific areas of your plants. It allows you to make precise cuts without harming other vital parts. Remember, the blue shears have curved blades. These scissors are perfect for deadheading, trimming, and shaping various plants. You can use them on roses, annuals, vegetables, and bonsai. They are also useful for other tasks like cutting paper and opening boxes. What we like. This pruner's curved blades are designed to avoid accidental cuts to plants. The spring-loaded design reduces hand fatigue. If you are looking for a tool that's easy to use and helps you make precise cuts, you should consider this one. What people say. The curved blades are perfect for trimming. These scissors are very sharp and cut through the plant material with ease. The spring action is a nice feature, making them easy to use for extended periods. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.